Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi-grade salmon. Preparing salmon for raw consumption at home is easier than you might think, and it ensures a delicious and safe experience. We'll cover everything from selecting the right fish to the crucial steps of freezing and thawing. By following these simple guidelines, you can confidently enjoy homemade sushi or sashimi with perfectly prepared salmon. Let's dive in and learn the easy method together. The first step to making excellent sushi-grade salmon is sourcing a high-quality piece. Visit a reputable fishmonger and ask for salmon that is either previously frozen or specifically labeled as sushi-grade. Look for fish with firm, bright flesh and a clean, ocean-like scent. Avoid any salmon that appears discolored, has a mushy texture, or smells strongly fishy. Quality sourcing is foundational for both taste and safety. To ensure your salmon is safe for raw consumption, proper freezing is absolutely critical for eliminating parasites. You have two main options. Freeze the salmon at a consistent temperature of -4 degrees Fahrenheit for a minimum of 7 days, or freeze it at an ultra-low temperature of -31 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 15 hours. It is essential to verify your home freezer can reach and maintain these specific temperatures for effective parasite elimination. Once your salmon has been properly frozen, the next step is careful thawing and preparation. Transfer the frozen salmon to your refrigerator and allow it to thaw slowly for approximately 24 hours. Once thawed, gently pat the fish completely dry with paper towels. Before slicing, carefully inspect the fillet for any remaining pin bones and remove them with tweezers. Finally, remove the skin for a smooth, clean presentation, ready for your culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.